Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace this engine air filter. This is a Mercedes E350. It's a 2013. So guys, you'll need Torx 25 is an L style Torx. This should really come handy when you are opening the last screw. I'll just show you in a moment. So guys, once you have your tool like this, we can begin. So you open these three screws. This is Torx 25. You just take your time. So you keep opening up. So guys, the one which is a bit trickier is the one at the corner, like towards the end of the engine. This one's a bit easy, so you can just open this one without any problem. So guys, keep in mind that when you're performing these guys, you should do this at an interval of 20,000 miles. It's normally done with service B. So guys, this is the one which is a bit tight, so you just take your time guys. You just do it slowly. So I'm just having difficulty right now because I'm using one of my hand on the camera, and then I'm using one there. So if you use two hands guys, it's gonna be easy to come out. So you take your time. Once that's done guys, you can use your hand. Once it's free a bit, then you just open it all the way. And once done like that, you try and see if it can open up like that. And then guys, you just open it all the way like that. Once it's done guys, you detach it from here in the front. You just pull it back and then you just pull it up like that. It's just easy like that guys. So guys, to buy a new filter, it might cost you something like 70 bucks, and then you guys should be able to just do the change and then put it back the way you